Welcome to KK Autos. Today we're diving into the jaw-dropping Mercedes-Benz Vision 111, a car that feels like it's been sent back from the future. This is not just a concept, it's a statement of luxury, innovation, and sheer brilliance. Let's explore its breathtaking exterior, luxurious interior, and impressive performance in detail. The first thing you notice about the Vision 111 is its futuristic elegance. Moving to the side, the sculptured panels are complemented by futuristic wheels that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. The doors? Absolute showstoppers. With a butterfly-style opening, they make entering and exiting the car feel like stepping into a spaceship. Around the back, the LED taillights create a mesmerizing pattern, highlighting the Vision 111's bold and forward-thinking design. This car doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. Draped in a glossy black finish, the aerodynamic body looks like it's slicing through the air, even when parked. Step inside, and the future welcomes you. The Vision 111's cabin is a harmonious blend of luxury and technology. The black leather seats, with their intricate stitching and aerodynamic design, envelop you in unmatched comfort. The dashboard is an advanced digital interface, glowing with vibrant displays and AI-driven controls. Everything is intuitive, from the seamless touchscreen integration to the voice-controlled features that respond as if the car can read your mind. Ambient lighting bathes the interior in a soft glow, creating a serene yet high-tech atmosphere. Even the back seats are a marvel, offering the same level of detail and luxury as the front, ensuring every passenger experiences the pinnacle of refinement. Leipzig. Now let's talk performance, because the Vision 111 is more than just a pretty face. This electric powerhouse is engineered for speed and efficiency. With cutting-edge electric motors, it delivers blistering acceleration, rocketing from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. But it's not just about speed. Its next-gen battery technology ensures an impressive range, making it as practical as it is thrilling. The advanced intelligent drive systems adapt to your every move, offering precision handling and an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're cruising on city streets or pushing the limits on the highway, the Vision 111 delivers smooth, quiet, and exhilarating performance. Plus, its regenerative braking system and AI-optimized efficiency prove that power and sustainability can coexist. This car is not just about reaching destinations, it's about redefining the journey. Subscribe to KK Autos for more futuristic rides and let us know in the comments, would you take this masterpiece for a spin? Stay tuned for more incredible automotive content.